Alright, exterior inspection for Rifle Ridge. Video number 2. The porch. Everything looks good. I know what the screen's for. So we got no grass back here, but that's all good. A limb down. And looks like we got to clean the gutters again. And we got a fence over here. Might have to check that out. It's leaning a little bit. And we have a screen. Needs repairing there. And we're going to go out to the front. Didn't notice this in the first video, but the carpet going into the living room, it's pulled back. This carpet's very worn, so we may just need to replace it since we are going to have to replace the steps. This is also in the foyer going to it, and you can just see how it is worn here, like that's almost a hole there. So we will need to take a look at that. And we're finishing the exterior video. Everything looks good out here. May need to do some pressure washing at some point. It's kind of hard to see it because of the sunlight. I don't know if you can see it better over here, but that might be something to look at for spring maybe. Mulch in the yard looks good. Again, we need to do the gutters again. We do have a dent in the garage door there, but everything else looks good with the yard. And let's check this side of the house. Ooh. The landscaping thingies, I'll have to get those put back up. But looks very nice. Exterior of the house. May need to weed and feed the yard. So that concludes our videos for Rifle Ridge.